If you're experiencing too many meetings about meetings, too many emails, difficulty to speak up, blame throwing around, confusion in your team, you have a misaligned team. And if you're a leader who thinks I don't have time to deal with this because you just want to get the work done, keep on listening. This is for you. Misaligned teams cost your business a lot of money, time, and energy. Misaligned teams don't perform as well as they can. They often get stuck. They lose focus from the client and they don't deliver quality work. But you can deal with misalignment quicker than you probably think. Hi, I'm Eva Sladic-Ketso, and I'm on a mission to help people work better together. Over the last 10 years, I helped teams and leaders in companies of all sizes and various industries all around the world in an in-person and virtual environment shift from misalignment to alignment. I helped them start difficult conversations, align on visions, goals, responsibilities, processes, and client needs. Many times leaders felt like they don't have time to deal with this. They just wanted to get the work done. Yes, team alignment takes time and effort, and it won't happen on its own. But if you integrate the right tools, methods, and skills and change the way you work, team alignment will not be something that is happening on the side. It will be something that is normal. So join me in my next webinar, and I'm going to show you how to integrate the best technology tools out there, contemporary methods, and learn the basic skills that you need to build and keep alignment in your teams. This is for you if you are dealing with large groups that you need to communicate strategy to, if you're organizing work for teams. So if you're a startup owner, a business owner, organizational leader, project manager, product manager, or someone who wants to bring better tools and methods to your teams, if you join this webinar as a bonus, you will get a trial version of my new Team Alignment Toolkit. So leave your email, choose your date, and click reserve my seat now. Looking forward to see you there.